It's the original, the blues song. I wrote like a long time ago. I'm sure you guys have all heard this.